Hello esteemed colleagues, in this instructional video we'll explore how to complete work in the planned maintenance module of the WAYL system. It can be also called adding hours to the task. To begin, you need to access the maintenance module. This can be accomplished either by clicking on maintenance on the system's home page or selecting it from the main menu on the left hand side of the screen. After, you need access task editing window. To begin editing, just double-click on necessary task in the main window of the module, and pop-up window will appear, similar to adding new task, but with some additional buttons. There are two types of tasks by period of time, by running hours and by date. This could be days, months, years, for example. In the first case, to add hours for this task, you need to press Mark as Complete button. Additional pop-up window will appear. Last done and total running hours fields are being calculated automatically and cannot be changed. You can select the date work has been completed and running hours when work has been completed. Enter value manually, or you can press plus sign on the right side of this field. It will add a last done value. Please pay attention that if you want to add 100 hours to the task, you can enter 100 in the work done at hours field and then press plus sign. This action will summarize both values, the one you have entered and last done value. And this is how this field should be filled. Of course, you can summarize this value in your head and enter it, but previous way is more simple. Entered value should not exceed total running hours. Second case is when task is using days, months or years as interval. To complete such task, you just need to select date when work has been done. You can do it manually or by selecting necessary date using calendar button. The rest is the same. Don't forget to enter remarks, add attachment if needed, and press Mark as Complete button. Remarks field is required field too. You can leave any comment regarding this particular completion of the task. Last field allows you to add attachments if necessary, probably photo or report. After filling all necessary information, simply press Mark as Complete button. I hope you will find this information useful. Thank you for your attention.